Hi everyone, today we're gonna make French fries. Many of you already make my hamburger, so today I'm gonna make French fries to match my hamburger. For this project, I will be using red and yellow. And also I'm gonna use this Play-Doh case, any cup or any glass, paper cup, anything you can find that's curved like this. And you also need 3D printing pen. You can use any model, any brand. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Now we have finished our French fries. I put a little bit of tissue inside the case so we don't have to make our French fries too long. That way we don't have to waste so much plastic. But if you don't mind to make more French fries, then you don't need tissue inside. Now we have our French fries to go with our hamburger. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions for my next videos, make a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!